Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Google search history step by step using the latest Google interface. This is useful if you want to review your recent searches, find something you looked up before, or manage your search activity. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account where your search history is saved. Once you're on the Google homepage, look at the bottom right corner and click on Settings. A small menu will appear. From that menu, click on Search History. Google will now open your search history page, where you can see your recent searches and related activity. You can scroll down to browse your previous searches in chronological order. If you're trying to find a specific search, use the search bar at the top of the page to search through your history. If you want to remove a single search, simply click the X next to that item. To delete multiple searches, click the Delete option and choose whether you want to delete activity from today, a custom date range, or all time. You can also manage or pause your search history from this page if you no longer want Google to save your future searches. And that's it! You've successfully checked your Google search history. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google tips and easy-to-follow tech tutorials. See you in the next video.